Imagine this for a second. What if you came home after a long, exhausting day, and instead of dirty dishes piling up in the sink, a messy living room, or the thought of cooking a meal draining the last bit of energy you have left, you walked into a perfectly clean home with a freshly cooked dinner waiting for you? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Elon Musk and Tesla have just made this a reality. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 has finally arrived, and it can cook a full meal and clean your house in under 2 hours. And here's the craziest part. The price isn't $100,000 like other robotics experiments. It's only $19,999 today. We're going to break down what this new Tesla Bot Gen 3 really is, how it works, the features that shock the world, and why this may not just change households, but could literally reshape labor, real estate, and even family life in America. But here's the real question. Is this just another tech gadget? Or are we looking at the beginning of a world where chores disappear forever? Stick around, because the truth might shock you. Part 1. The big announcement. Tesla officially unveiled the Tesla Bot Gen 3, also nicknamed Optimus Gen 3. Unlike Gen 1 and Gen 2 prototypes, which were mainly proof of concept, Gen 3 is the first production-ready humanoid robot designed for households. Now let's talk numbers. The shocking announcement is the price tag, just under $20,000. To put this into perspective, hiring a part-time house cleaner in the US averages around $150 per visit. Multiply that by weekly visits and you're spending $7,800 a year. Add a meal prep or personal chef service, which can easily cost $1,500 to $2,000 per month, and suddenly you're spending more than $25,000 annually just for convenience. Tesla Bot Gen 3, a one-time cost of $19,999. It doesn't get tired, doesn't take sick days, and keeps learning with every task. Elon Musk himself said during the reveal, "Most people will have a Tesla bot in their homes sooner than they think. It'll be cheaper than a car and more useful on a daily basis." But wait, before you think this is just about price, you need to hear about the features that left even tech insiders speechless. Part 2. What's inside? Features. Let's break down what makes Tesla Bot Gen 3 so revolutionary. 1. Cooking assistant AI. The Tesla bot can cook. Yes, actually cook. Not microwave meals, but prepare dishes using fresh ingredients. Thanks to Tesla's neural net AI combined with deep learning recipes, the bot can follow thousands of recipes from a database, recognize ingredients in your fridge, and prepare them step by step. Imagine telling your bot, "Make me chicken Alfredo for dinner." It scans the fridge, checks if you have the ingredients, and if you're missing something, it can automatically order through Tesla's partnered grocery delivery service. By the time you're home, the meal is on the table. But cooking is just the start. What happens when a robot can fold your laundry, clean your dishes, and even learn new tasks overnight? Keep watching, because this part gets wild. Precision home cleaning. Gen 3 is equipped with advanced haptic sensors and spatial mapping, allowing it to navigate your home with precision. It doesn't just vacuum floors like a Roomba. It can pick up toys, fold laundry, wash dishes, and wipe down countertops. It's designed with Tesla's humanoid hand system that gives it nearly human-level dexterity, meaning it can handle delicate tasks like holding glassware without breaking it. Natural voice. AI, no complex apps, no confusing settings. You just talk to it. Tesla bot, clean the living room. Tesla bot, load the dishwasher. Tesla bot, make dinner at 7 p.m. Its voice AI is powered by the same large language models Tesla uses in their vehicles and AI projects, giving it conversational ability, It doesn't just follow commands, it understands context. If you say, "Clean the house before my parents visit tomorrow," it knows exactly what to prioritize. Now, here's the kicker. It doesn't just obey, it anticipates. And the way it charges itself might blow your mind. Self-charging and integration Gen 3 comes with an automatic docking station similar to a Roomba, but smarter. It charges itself using Tesla's solar integration if you have a Tesla Powerwall or solar roof. That means zero ongoing energy costs. Continuous learning, perhaps the most groundbreaking feature. Every Tesla bot in the world contributes data back to Tesla's AI network. This means your bot is constantly getting smarter, learning from other bots globally. A new cooking technique discovered in Japan? Your bot learns it overnight. And here's the jaw-dropping surprise. Tesla confirmed the AI cooking assistant subscription is free for life with every Tesla Bot Gen 3. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. That changes everything. Part 3. Comparison. Let's put Tesla Bot into perspective. Boston Dynamics. Atlas Robot is an incredible engineering showcase, but it costs millions and isn't for home use. Chinese robotics startups have humanoid designs, but they lack the AI and energy integration that Tesla brings. Apple? Rumors suggest they're testing home AI assistants, but nothing remotely close to a humanoid. Hyundai's robotics division? They're focused on industrial and warehouse robots, not the home. Tesla's unique advantage is simple: full-stack integration. They already have solar energy systems, energy storage with Powerwall, AI training through billions of Tesla miles, charging infrastructure. No other company can combine all these elements. The Tesla bot isn't just a robot, it's part of an ecosystem. And this is where the stakes skyrocket, because Tesla bot isn't just about chores. It could shake the very foundation of the American labor market. Part 4. The Impact, USA Focus. Here's where it gets big. Household economics, right now. The average American family spends thousands every year on cleaning services, meal prep, and home maintenance. Tesla Bot Gen 3 essentially eliminates that recurring cost. Over 10 years, that's savings of more than $200,000 labor market. This also raises questions. Maids, cleaning companies, meal prep services, even delivery workers, all could face massive disruption. Just like Uber changed the taxi industry, Tesla Bot may transform domestic labor forever. Time freedom. But for families, students, retirees, the impact is life-changing. Imagine single parents getting hours of their day back. Imagine retirees who struggle with physical chores, finally living with independence. But here's a thought. If a robot saves us time, what do we actually do with it? That's the deeper question Tesla may have just forced society to answer. Energy independence. And here's the cherry on top. When paired with Tesla Solar, your robot literally runs on sunlight. That means no extra electricity bills, no maintenance contracts, just pure automation powered by renewable energy. Part 5. Why U.S. audience should care students and young professionals. Think about students juggling college, part-time jobs, and social lives. A Tesla bot could handle meals, laundry, and cleaning, freeing up time for education and career growth. Retirees for seniors. The bot could mean living independently without relying on children or expensive caregivers. Imagine a retiree having a Tesla bot that cooks, cleans, and even reminds them to take medications. tech enthusiasts, and for the tech community, this is the ultimate gadget, a real-life robot that you can actually buy, own, and customize. And yet, with all these benefits, there are real dangers and challenges. And this is where the debate begins. Part 6. Challenges government approvals. Robots in homes mean new safety regulations. What if a bot malfunctions? What if it injures someone? Expect local governments to step in. Privacy concerns. These bots have cameras, microphones, and AI that connects to Tesla's servers. Privacy advocates are already raising concerns. Will Tesla have access to what your bot sees inside your home? Resistance from industry's cleaning companies, food delivery services, even labor unions will push back, because Tesla bot threatens entire industries. Size versus needs. Tesla bot is humanoid, around 5'8" tall. For small apartments, will it be practical? Will families trust it around kids? These are challenges Tesla has to address. But despite all this, Elon Musk already has his eyes on something far bigger. And it's not Earth. It's Mars. Part 7. Future vision. Elon Musk has already teased that this is just step 1. In the next 5 to 10 years, Tesla envisions smart cities powered entirely by Tesla technology. Imagine neighborhoods where every home has Tesla solar, every family has a Tesla bot. Transportation is handled by self-driving Teslas. Internet is powered by Starlink. This isn't just about robots cooking meals. It's about reshaping the way society functions. Think about space, too. Tesla bot is designed not just for Earth, but for Mars. Musk has said clearly, if we're going to colonize Mars, we'll need robots. Gen 3 is a step toward that future. So the real question is this: is Tesla bot just a household helper? Or is it the blueprint for an entirely new civilization? Finally, so let's end with this question. Would you pay $19,990 for a Tesla Bot Gen 3 if it could cook meals, clean your house, and save you thousands every year? Or do you think this is just another bold Musk experiment that might not last? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to hear what you think. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, because Tesla's next big announcement is coming soon. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Because if this robot really is step 1, step 2 could be something humanity has never seen before.